Earnin does not give you a fixed loan limit like a credit card, because your available cash is tied directly to how many hours you've already worked and how your paycheck is verified. By the end, you'll know what Earnin actually uses to calculate your cash access, what behaviors can increase it, and what does not affect your limit at all. Earnin is built around earned wages, not credit borrowing. That means the app looks at your work history and paycheck verification instead of running a traditional credit approval process when deciding how much you can access. Now explain what drives your limit. Your cash access is mainly influenced by your reported work hours and verified income deposits. The more consistent your work activity appears in the system, the more reliable your earnings look to the app. Now, explain verification. Earnin relies on proof that you are actively working and receiving income from a legitimate employer. That verification is what allows the app to calculate how much you have already earned. Now explain consistency. Consistent work schedules matter because they make your income easier to predict. Irregular or missing work data can reduce how much the system is willing to let you access. Now explain direct deposit behavior. When your paycheck is deposited regularly into the same bank account, it strengthens the connection between your employer and your account, which can improve eligibility over time. Now I'll explain what does not help. Requesting frequent cash outs does not automatically increase your limit. The system does not reward repeated withdrawal attempts with higher access. Now explain responsible usage. Using Earnin in a stable pattern and maintaining consistent employment data helps the system build a clearer picture of your income, which is what drives long-term access increases. Now explain limitations. Your access will always be capped by what you have actually earned. Earnin does not advance money beyond verified work hours or expected income. Now put it in perspective. Increasing your access is less about gaming the system, and more about giving it clean, consistent income data to work with over time. Here's the simple breakdown. Earnin increases your available cash based on verified work hours and stable income patterns. There is no manual boost option or credit style limit increase process. Do this next. Keep your work hours accurately tracked and ensure your paycheck deposits consistently into one account so the system can build a stable income profile over time. If your income data is consistent and verified, your access tends to grow naturally. If it is irregular, your limit will stay restricted to lower amounts.